serious cash, maybe even enough to buy your own island someday, you're in the right place. We're about to drop 15 insane business ideas you can start right now from your dorm room or even between classes. We're talking about side hustles so epic they could turn into your main gig. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to get those entrepreneurial juices flowing. Ace that exam and then help others do the same. Tutoring is a great way to make bank by sharing your knowledge. Got away with words? Businesses are desperate for talented writers. Blogs, articles, websites, you name it. Spend way too much time on TikTok. Monetize that. Manage social media for businesses that need a boost. Got an eye for awesome products? Sell them online. Etsy, eBay, your own website. The possibilities are endless. Throw legendary parties. Turn that talent into cash. Plan birthdays, student events. Get the party started. Love capturing moments? Offer photography or video services. Events, portraits, businesses. Get snapping! Passionate about fitness? Become a personal trainer. Help others reach their goals and achieve peak performance. Design skills that rock. Create logos, marketing materials. Be the visual mastermind businesses need. Know how to make things go viral? Offer digital marketing services. SEO ads help businesses dominate online. Code like a boss? Develop apps or websites. Turn those tech skills into a lucrative business. Curate awesome subscription boxes. Niche products, monthly surprises. Build a loyal following. Sell products online without inventory. Connect buyers with suppliers. It's like magic, but with money. Got wheels and a need for speed? Offer delivery services. Food, groceries, packages. Become the ultimate delivery pro. Bilingual or multilingual. Translate or transcribe. Passionate about something? Share it with the world, blog or create videos and monetize your content. Boom! There you have it. 15 killer business ideas to unleash your inner entrepreneur. Remember, starting small is totally okay.